Hello everyone and welcome back to BuildSketch Studio. In today's video, I'm going to show you something truly amazing, how to render your Revit project using AI with just a single prompt. Yes, you heard that right. No heavy rendering software, no complex lighting setups, just one image and one powerful AI prompt. With this simple technique, you can transform your Revit designs into super realistic cinematic renders that will absolutely impress your clients. Let's begin. This is the house I designed in Revit. A clean, modern design ready to come to life. Now, the first step is simple. Capture the perfect view. I'll take a screenshot from the angle I want to render. Make sure you choose a perspective that highlights the best parts of your design: the facade, the lighting, the proportions, everything that defines your architecture. Once that's done, open your browser and head over to gemini.google.com. Gemini is Google's latest AI that can generate stunning photorealistic renders from just text and images. Now, we'll upload our screenshot here, the image you captured directly from Revit. Gemini will use this as a reference to understand your model's structure and geometry. The next step is the most important part, the prompt. This is where you tell the AI exactly how you want your render to look. You can create your own prompt, or you can use one written by ChatGPT, carefully crafted to bring realism, color harmony, and lighting balance into your scene. I'll share the complete prompt in the video description and comments. So you can copy it, paste it, and modify it for your own Revit projects. Now, I'll paste the prompt here and hit enter. Brief pause. Music softens slightly. Within a few seconds, Gemini processes the image, and just like that, your render comes to life. The colors blend beautifully. The lighting feels natural. The materials look real. And your Revit model turns into something truly photorealistic. Here it is, the final result. Look at the details, the reflections, the soft shadows, the warmth of the tones. It looks professional, polished, and presentation ready. Perfect for clients, portfolio showcases, or design reviews. And all of this created in seconds with the power of AI. So, if you want to create impressive renders without long setup times or high-end rendering software, this method is your best friend. Just your design, a simple screenshot, and the right AI prompt. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new today. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to BuildSketch Studio, and share it with your friends who love architecture and 3D design as much as you do. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Soft music fades out.